Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn how to maintain the synchronization in time division multiplexing. So let's get going. This is the function diagram of the TDM in which we transmit multiple signal one by one with the help of commutator over the same channel. Commutator connect to the input signal for a fixed interval of time and it transmits the signal over the same channel. So in this way we are saving the bandwidth because same bandwidth is used by the multiple signal. But in the TDM it is important to maintain the synchronization between the commutator and the decommutator. Decommutator is just opposite of the commutator at the receiving end. What we do to maintain the synchronization, some extra bit are sent at the end of the signal transmitter and commutator send the signal in the form of extra bit that one complete cycle of the rotation is complete. When decommutator gets that extra bit, send the signal to the commutator that I received that extra bit, and then commutator start its second rotation. For understanding, let's suppose M1 and M2 are the two input signal and M3 is S5 continuous 0 that is sent by the commutator to the decommutator as the signal that one complete cycle of rotation is rotate. When decommutator receive that 5 continuous 0, it send the signal to the commutator that one cycle is completed. Then commutator start its second rotation and in this way it maintain the synchronization. I already explained all the functioning of the TDM in the last video. If you are directly watching this video, so please watch the last video for the better understanding of the concept. Bitrate of the TDM is given by as RB equal to NNFS. When we transmit extra bit for the synchronization, bitrate change to as NN plus AFS, where capital N is as number of signal that are transmit and small n is the number of bit that is used by the encoder and A as the number of additional bit that are transmitted and Fs is as sampling frequency. Now we will try to understand the concept of the synchronization with the help of this question. In this question, 10 message signal are multiplexed using the TDM. Each sample is encoded with the 8 bit. Speed of the commutator is 5 into 10 to the power 3 rotation per second. Find the bit rate if the synchronization is required. First, when 2 extra bit for the each frame and second one when 1 extra bit for the each sample. Simple bit rate of the TDM is given by as the RB, that is NNFS. So it is clear that the 10 message signal, so capital N value is 10 and we used 8 bit for the encoder, so the small n is at 8 and Fs, that is sampling frequency, that is given by as the speed of the commutator and that is 5 into 10 to the power 3 rotation per second. So we put all the value and we find RB as the 400 kbps. So when we are not using the extra bit, bitrate is as 400 kbps. When we use extra bit for the synchronization, then the new frame is NN plus A and we know that the 2 extra bit for each frame is sent. So when we put the value, we find it as the 82 and we find RB as the 410 kbps. Now in the second point, it is saying that 1 extra bit for each sample. Previously it is using each sample is encoded with the 8 bit, but now 1 extra bit for each sample. So the small n changed to as 9 and we find RB by putting the value of NNFS and we got the value as the 450 kbps.